afternoon, this is Mika, TM's Bushcraft. Today I want to make a video about my summer smithy, which is done in that A-frame Viking tent you can see here in the background. Yeah, I'll set up the tent and the smithy and I'll get back to you.
Okay, here's the tent, and this is how it looks when put up. And we'll start to look at the forge. Here it goes. It's made by me. A simple steel plate with a kind of a big hole in it, and there we have a small cup where the bellows and the air will go into. And here I just created a windshield out of a plate, and everything can be taken apart and put into that box, which is under there. That's how it rides in the car. And here we have the bellows. They are made in 2 chambers, so the first one takes in the air and pushes it to the next chamber and then into the forge. I built the bellows in 2004, and I'm very pleased with it. And let's move on to, here's something that I got just a few days ago. Yesterday I made the log you can see here, and I tried it out. It works great. I'm very thankful to my friend who gave it to me. It's Anders Danielsson, Viking Age reenactor as well. In the background there you see my tool kit. It's my bag where I keep my tools, and here we have the 2 Thor's hammers which you can hang around your neck. Those are for sale, will be at the fair, Viking Age fair. Here's my old anvil, which I used for many years now. This works great as well. The new one is much heavier, that's why it's easier to work with it, but it puts a lot of stress on my car. So I don't know, but I probably will be using this in the future. I of course made a little hook where I can hang my tools from. So I sit on this box, use the bellows, there's the forge, warm up the steel and iron, and work there standing. Okay.
Let's start the fire with the free bushcraft kit. Fire kit. I have a flint, the classic striker. Let's take some char cloth, and let's see, a ball of jute twine. I'll take only half of this, not even that much, less than half. Let's make a ball of it. Form it like a bird's nest. Something like this.
take the jar cloth, put that on the flint. This is the way I do it. I know you can put it underneath and strike downwards, but I mostly use this technique. Put that on there. There you go. You can see that. Let's put that in the bird's nest. There you go. We got the forge started. I was thinking, why not show you guys how to make a bodkin, an arrowhead. It's a medieval war type arrowhead with a socket and a very thin point, which is supposed to go through chainmail. Okay, we're gonna start by making the socket. And as you can see, you have to make it like a triangle type of shape. Okay, that's a good start. Okay, here we go. The socket is done. Now to making the point. Okay, here we go. The final arrowhead. Okay, I'd like to thank you all for watching. A big hello to all my subscribers and friends. And I'll catch you on the next video. You all take care now. Bye bye.